Hello dear traders, welcome back again to our channel and thank you so much for visiting our channel. So in this video we are going to discuss about most important aspect of trading, that is nothing but risk management, and that is one of the most important thing. Okay, if you want to make money out of stock markets, you need to know about risk management and you need to follow position sizing, which is really important in our stock markets. Okay, so before that, one humble request guys, if you haven't subscribed to our channel, please kindly do subscribe. If you are liking our content, please kindly come back to our videos and please comment below so that I get to know, okay, you are liking it. Okay, so now we'll discuss about risk management thing in detail. Let's discuss about it. One of the most important part of the trading, and I am going to explain about it in detail. Okay, so please do listen carefully, especially beginners and who are unsuccessful in trading. The first and most important thing in the trading is following risk management. Okay, so basically what is the risk management? So please guys, this is not a boring topic, this is most important topic, so please kindly listen carefully. So risk management is nothing but you have to define your stop loss first before entering into the trade, so that if you do not follow the risk management, right, then you will blow up your whole capital. Like me, when I started my trading, right, that time I didn't know about these things, so I just started trading like whatever the capital I have, whatever the shares I want to buy, I am going with that quantity, and in that way I blow up my accounts so many times. So then I came to know about this risk management and other things about stop loss and how we can do it. Okay, and if you are not following risk management, then it's a really bad way of doing trading. I am telling honestly guys, that is really bad way of doing trading. So the thing is which I follow, okay, which I personally follow is taking risk of uh, 5% per trade. Okay, you have to take only 5% per trade. Okay, if you are risking more than this, then you are losing your money. Okay, so the thing is, see here, suppose we have capital of 10,000 and I am risking 5,000, and risk per trade in amount I am taking 500. Okay, so in this way we need to calculate it. If you want this Excel sheet, right, whatever I am maintaining, if you want it, please kindly let me know in comment below so that I will share this Excel sheet with you and you can use it. Okay, so because the thing is why I am sharing this thing, right, because if you don't follow risk management and want to like enter into the trade, then I am sorry guys, you will definitely lose your money in the stock market and you are not gonna make money out of the stock market. So if you ask to any successful trader in like in your contacts or anywhere, right, like what is the key point to make money out of this trading world, so they will definitely tell you that like money management and risk management is one of the key factors and one of the most important parts of the trading. So under that only we have position sizing, which is most important part. Basically see here, right, suppose I have 10,000 shares, I am risking 5%, so total in money like I am risking 500 per share. Okay, so how per stock basically, so how much shares I need to buy. Okay, so basically if you calculate it, 500 you are risking, so 10,000 divided by 500, so how many trades you have to calculate? That's it, 20. I already calculated. Okay, so this is nothing but position sizing. So when you are entering into trade, you need to buy only 20 shares within this your capital. So if you go for more, right, suppose 40 shares, then you are risking 10%, and definitely if you are not winning that trade, right, eventually you will lose money. So that's the reason I am saying, please learn this properly and follow risk management, and uh, you will really will make money out of it. I'm honestly telling you guys, you will really make money out of it. So I will just show you one example on chart. So the example is of our India Cement one stock, which I already like made one triangle pattern there, and I just want to show you how much risk we should take in this trade. Okay, so suppose we need to make entry after this breakout of this triangle pattern, right? So as I already discussed about this in our triangle pattern video, Also in all the videos I am following triangle pattern and channel pattern only, and trend line. So please kindly visit those videos also. That will be really helpful for you. So okay, we'll discuss about risk management. See, if I am keeping stop loss below this one, below this candlestick, and I'm risking around 4%, and then whatever the target is next thing. Okay, but before that we need to think about our stop loss. So the thing is here I am risking 4%. So what I will do, I just prepared this sheet. So if you want it, please let me know. I will share this in our description whenever you want. Please kindly let me know in comment below so that I will share with you. So see here, in India Cement, my risk per trade is 4%, as we calculated here, right? So 4%. So I just came here, I calculated 4%, and risk I am taking is, suppose I have 10,000 capital. Okay, so I am risking 400 uh, basically. Okay, so 400 per share basically. So how much share I need to take? So how many shares I need to take is 25 shares. So if I follow this, right, if you follow this, it's really gonna help you. So this is what I am saying. Unfortunately I didn't learn these things in my early days, and I made huge loss actually, and I made that mistake, and that's the reason I am telling you guys as a beginner, please kindly follow this risk management. I know everyone want to earn money very quickly and very fastly. So that's the reason what we'll do definitely, like what we are doing, we are taking more shares just because we want to earn more money. Yeah, that's for sure, we want to earn more money. But the thing is, if you are not following risk management, then for sure you're gonna blow up your account very soon. Okay, so it's my duty to teach you whatever the mistakes I did in previously in my past. So I hope you understand these things about risk management, and this is one of the most important aspects we need to follow in trading. Okay, so until and unless you follow this, right, this risk management, whatever we are calculating. So the thing is, when you are making entry, right, just calculate how much percentage you are risking. On that basis, just go and check how much capital you have, how much you are risking per trade percentage, and what is the amount you are risking. On the basis of this amount, just calculate how many shares you need to buy or sell, and then only calculate it. So because position sizing is one of the most aspect of risk management. Okay, so this is what it is. So please let me know if you have any questions about risk management, and I will definitely try to resolve it as soon as possible. Okay, so this is all about our risk management topic. Hope you feel this is interesting. Please start following risk management if you are not following, because this is the one of the most important thing. In initial days of my mine, like when I started trading, I never used to follow the risk management. I used to lose almost 20 to 30% of my capital in a single trade. Really, guys, I am telling this thing because I really don't want you to lose your money and blow up your account very easily and without following this risk management. Okay, so please kindly start following this risk management, and we'll see in next video. Okay, so thanks for visiting our channel, and please do take care of yourself. Thank you.